it was organized, or how well it is organized, and how much and how many pump manufacturers are already here. So I had also many good conversations so far, and also many good discussions. And yes, regarding the digital world and regarding the pump manufacturing in India, I see that this Indian market will be more and more important also for Andes actually. We want also improve our capacities here, and in this capacity increase age, we also want to increase our digital business here. So digital business is getting more and more important for every company, and every company is also talking about AI solutions. Yeah, everybody wants to have AI solutions. Nobody really understands AI solutions, unfortunately. But for us, it is important that you, before you go in the fully digitalization world, you have to improve your data foundation. So build up a good data foundation, get clean data, get well-prepared data, reduce system borders, and then you can set up a good AI system on that. So this is always my opinion, because I am always asked how to use AI and how can we use AI. And the first step is always get rid of your data obstacles, get good data foundation. So just a very short introduction of myself and what I'm doing. Thank you for everything, and have a good exhibition here and have good discussions and good conversations. Thank you.
First of all, thank you so much for joining us here in this press meet, and a warm welcome from IPVS for this session. Why is pumps, valves, and systems are very important? This would be a starting point for us. Almost 20% of the energy consumed in the world is for pumps, and more importantly, 40% of water transferring into any manufacturing industries or any utilities needs pumps, valves, and systems. So that is why this exhibition is vital, and this is the starting point, rightly said by the Orbit, who is organizing this event, and we look forward for some strong presence in this market, and moving forward, we will take it across the country.
So, thank you again for attending this press briefing after inauguration of IPVS. Why this is important? Because this exhibition was running before, and again it's resuming after 7 years. And up to now, there is no exhibition in India which covers the pump and valves manufacturing companies. So, as Shankar rightly said, the pump is consuming more energy what we produce in each and every country or worldwide. So, having so much of energy consumption and from the utility side, it's very important to think how we can innovate and digitalize our processes and technologies and research and development within the pump and valves industry, so that we are reducing the carbon footprint in the world and also meeting the ESG goal which is set by the world or government policy makers. So that is very important. Even all the companies are also having ESG goal, and to meet and go into the same direction, it's very important for all the pump and valves manufacturer together and think how we can give the direction to all the ESG goals and reduce the carbon footprint for the country.
What we are all having. And Tamil Nadu being one of the scarce area for water, I think it is very important that any system for manufacturing is built with the help of water. Water is always there. Whether it is boiler, whether it is cooling tower, whether it is process, water will be always required. And that will be going through pumps and the valves. So it is very important to have a good quality pumps and valves to make the good quality systems. And I think in Tamil Nadu, there are so many CTPs and wastewater treatment systems and a lot of manufacturing for automobile, textiles and all. So for that, good quality pumps and valves are important, and that is why this exhibition is very important for this particular state. And that is why we have selected Tamil Nadu, that is Chennai, as a first station for us for promoting this particular exhibition. Thank you.
And the way we understand the importance of heart, similarly the importance of pumps and valves in any industry. So that is why this exhibition, Industrial Pumps, Valves and Systems, is relevant, very relevant, not only to each one of us, to every one of us and to the entire country and even to the entire world. So it is good to have this kind of exhibition focusing on pumps and valves. Thank you.
Hello, sir, and welcome all of you. It's a pleasure to be part of the IPVS advisory board and also for the expo. As I think everybody's spoken about valves and pumps. What also alternatively what we like to bring in is the AI, that is the automation part. Today we are talking about saving water. How do you save water? You only if you measure you will be able to save water. So pumps also act a very big role in saving water, saving energy. You size the pump now. Technologies are coming and changing daily. Every day there is new technology. So the exhibition is basically for visitors to come, understand the product, feel the product, and also the quality and how it works and how it helps to save water, save energy. I wish the entire Orbit team and everybody the best of luck for another 3 days. We'll be having a valuable discussion. I think in the conference for 2 days also we'll be exchanging a lot of discussion and talk. So thank you very much and a happy day. Thank you.
My colleagues have already covered. What I'm going to say here is that energy, that conservation, how we're going to have optimization on the energy part, right? That's the topic. We said about reducing the carbon footprint. So this kind of exhibition gives us a platform where all stakeholders can gather together, share their insights, what new innovations are there, what we are doing currently, how we can improve our system. And also it allows for increasing brand awareness, right? Whatever you're doing here, you become more public, your visibility becomes more, okay? So it's a good platform. I think next 2 days are going to be a very informative session, right? Where we can learn from each other. So as we know that learning is a continuous process, right? It's always better. The more you share, the more we'll be able to, give best to our, societies, to everyone. So I think Orbit exhibitors like the exhibition has done really fantastic, initiative. I would say after I believe you said 7, years. So I wish all the best for these next 2 days and keep this trend, continuing so that we learn from each other and also share a lot of things which are coming up in this market. Thank you.
And convinced that this exhibition is a very good area to connect people and to have good discussions, especially in the pump industry, which is getting more and more important, I think, for India, especially in the water business. I would say this exhibition can be an accelerator for the pump business here. And I think it is also important that the people can talk face to face to each other. I am from the digital world, and in the digital world, more and more the people just talk online on a video to each other. But bringing people together, this is, I think, one of the most important things in the business. So I wish you another 2 exciting days here, good conversations and good discussions. Thank you.
IPVS இந்த plumb valves and systems பற்றி கொண்டு வர்றதுக்கு காரணம் என்ன, கிட்டத்தட்ட 20% எனர்ஜி யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து பம்ப் சிஸ்டம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது இண்டஸ்ட்ரியை பொறுத்தவரையில். அதே மாதிரி இப்போது உலகம் ஃபுல்லாக டெக்னாலஜி நிறைய இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது. தொழில்நுட்பம் வளர நம்ம அந்த தொழில்நுட்பத்தை எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னு நமக்கும் நிறைய சேவிங்ஸ் ஆகும். என்ன விதத்தில் சேவிங்ஸ்னால், ஒன்று எனர்ஜி, இன்னொன்று சில விதங்களில் டைமென்ஷன் ஆஃப் ரிலையபிலிட்டி இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும். இதை தான் என்ன சொல்றாங்க, எல்லாரும் பேசுனது என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, செயற்கை நுண்ணறிவுன்றது இப்போ ரொம்ப காமனா போச்சு எல்லா பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்லையும். இந்த செயற்கை நுண்ணறிவை பயன்படுத்தி நிறைய வளர்ச்சிகள் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு எல்லா ஏரியாலையுமே. பம்ப் வேல்ஸ்லையும் அது நிறைய மாற்றங்கள் கொண்டு வருது. இந்த 3 நாள்ல போத் IPVS அண்ட் ஆர்பிட் என்ன எதிர்பார்க்குறாங்கன்னா, எல்லா தயாரிப்பாளர்களையும் ஒன்றிணைந்து இதை யூஸ் பண்றாங்க இல்லையா, இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஆகட்டும், கவர்மெண்ட் பாடிஸ் ஆகட்டும், ரெசிடென்ஷியல் ஆகட்டும், இவங்க எல்லாருமே பயன்படுத்தும் போது கொஞ்சம் புரிதலோட இருந்தாங்கன்னா நிறைய பலன்களை நம்ம அடையலாம். அதற்கு தான் இவ்வளவு பெரிய ஏற்பாடு பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இந்த 3 நாளுமே இப்போ கிருஷ்ணன் சொன்ன மாதிரி நடைமுறையில நம்ம வந்து நேருக்கு நேர் பார்த்து பேசும்போது என்ன தயாரிப்பாளர்கள் எதிர்பார்க்குறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா என்ன பயன்பாடாளர்கள் கேட்குறாங்கன்றத தயாரிப்பாளர்கள் புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ இது 2-way கம்யூனிகேஷன். இந்த ரெண்டு நாங்கள் என்ன பண்றோங்கிறத எங்கிருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்னா, என்ன யூஸ் பண்றாங்களோ அவங்கள்ட்ட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எடுத்துட்டு அதை திருப்பி நான் அவங்களுக்கு ப்ராடக்டா சொல்யூஷனை கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஸோ அதுதான் இந்த எக்ஸிபிஷன் ஒரு செமினாரோட நோக்கமே. செமினாரோட டாப்பிக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, உங்க இந்த பயன்பாட்டாளரோட தேவைகளை பூர்த்தி செய்யணுன்றதை கருத்தில் கொண்டு தான் இதை கொண்டு வந்து இன்னைக்கு அமைச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதை தான் வெளிப்படுத்தணும். திருப்பியும் ஒரு முறை உங்களுக்கு எல்லாரும் நன்றி சொல்றேன். நீங்க வந்து பார்த்து கூட சேர்ந்தது நன்றி. Sir, as many people have said, artificial intelligence is here to leverage the technology across all applications. So that is the message we as manufacturers also reflecting. When you look at one government, like you referred Tamil Nadu, I think this is across the country. Many government initiatives today are driven by AI, one way or the other, for 2 good reasons. One, how do we scale up, and then how do we optimize? In both the cases, we appreciate government initiatives, and manufacturers are here to reciprocate in their own way to support these initiatives. Sorry, sir?
Yeah, as of now, we don't have any overseas exhibitors directly, but many companies who are present, foreign companies who are present in India are exhibiting here at the show.
It's a B2B.
Yes, it is a B2B.
Turnover you're expecting?
This is the first time, so we are expecting number of visitors, 4,000 visitors. The B2B exhibition, deals don't happen across the counter. Discussion starts happening. Now, deals happen as you go along.
What's the future?
Yes, it will be held every year. Every year it will be held, and the show we are expecting it to be the largest show in the South Asia sector on this subject.